Imagine floating alone in deep space. No wind, no voices, no sound at all. Even if a massive star exploded right beside you, you wouldn't hear anything. Space looks chaotic and violent, filled with exploding stars, black holes, and massive collisions. But strangely, the universe is completely silent. Why? And what would happen if space suddenly had sound? To understand why space is silent, we first need to understand what sound actually is. Sound is vibration. When something moves or explodes, it creates tiny vibrations in the air around it. Those vibrations travel through molecules until they reach your ears. That's how you hear voices, music, thunder, and explosions. Right now, sound is constantly traveling through the air around you. But there's one important thing sound needs in order to exist: a medium, usually air. Without air, sound cannot travel. Space is different from Earth. Earth has an atmosphere filled with oxygen, nitrogen, and countless particles. That's why sound travels normally here. But space is almost completely empty. There are extremely few particles floating around. This emptiness is called a vacuum. And because there's almost nothing in space, sound waves have nothing to travel through. No air, no molecules, no sound. That means if two astronauts floated next to each other without radios, they wouldn't hear each other speaking, even if they screamed. This becomes even more terrifying when you think about how violent space really is. Stars explode with more power than billions of nuclear bombs. Galaxies collide. Black holes consume entire stars. But despite all this destruction, space remains silent. Imagine watching the sun explode from a safe distance. You would see an enormous wave of fire and light expanding across space. But you would hear absolutely nothing. No explosion, no shockwave, just silence. That silence is one of the strangest realities of the universe. So, if sound can't travel in space, how do astronauts talk? The answer is radio waves. Inside a spacesuit, microphones capture the astronaut's voice. That voice is converted into radio signals. Radio waves can travel through empty space because they are electromagnetic waves, not sound waves. The signal reaches another astronaut's helmet, where it's converted back into sound. Without this technology, astronauts would be completely isolated in silence. Surprisingly, yes, in certain parts of space, sound can exist. Some regions contain gas clouds and particles dense enough for vibrations to move through them. Scientists have even detected pressure waves near black holes and galaxy clusters. But these sounds are nothing like what humans normally hear. Most are extremely low frequency, too deep for human ears to detect naturally. NASA has converted some of these signals into audio humans can hear, and the results are terrifying. Deep groaning vibrations, strange echoes, almost like the universe itself is alive. One of the most famous examples comes from a black hole in the Perseus galaxy cluster. NASA recorded pressure waves moving through hot gas around the black hole. When converted into sound, it created one of the deepest sounds ever detected. The frequency was millions of times lower than what humans can hear. Scientists increased the pitch so we could listen to it. And honestly, it sounds haunting. Not because it's loud, but because it reminds us how strange and alien the universe truly is. Now imagine something terrifying. What if sound could travel through space normally? The universe would become unbelievably loud. Every solar explosion, every collision, every moving planet would create endless noise. Earth would constantly hear the violent sounds of the cosmos. The sun alone would produce a non-stop roar so powerful it could drive humans insane. Thankfully, the vacuum of space protects us from that chaos. Silence may feel eerie, but without it, the universe would be overwhelming. Humans are not designed for complete silence. In fact, total silence can become mentally disturbing. Many astronauts describe space as emotionally overwhelming, not because of noise but because of the absence of it. When you remove all sound, the brain becomes hyper aware. Your breathing feels louder, your heartbeat becomes noticeable, and the emptiness starts feeling unnatural. Space isn't just physically silent, it feels psychologically silent too. Imagine drifting alone far away from Earth. No voices, no wind, no movement, just endless darkness and complete silence. That silence would remind you of one terrifying truth: the universe does not care if anyone is listening. And maybe that's why space feels so mysterious. Not because it's loud and chaotic, but because it's completely silent. Space is filled with explosions, destruction, and unimaginable power. Yet, none of it can be heard. Because sound needs air, and space is almost completely empty. That silence may seem peaceful at first, but the more you think about it, the more terrifying it becomes. The universe is screaming constantly, we just can't hear it. Subscribe for more mind blowing science, mystery, and space videos.